Hello friends! Welcome back to Crypto Cash, where we go over ways to make that crypto money. The NFT game, DeFi Pet, a new generation of cutting-edge decentralized gaming systems has emerged, allowing users to have fun while simultaneously earning cryptocurrency. Since it came out, it was instantly a fan favorite. So let's go over how to make money and enjoy the game. The game, which was released in May of 2021, received the Super Hackathon prize, has become fairly famous. When the project was officially public, it became an instant hit within the crypto community. DeFi Pet has more than 150,000 coin holders, 3 million transactions, and over 2 million egg purchased even before its debut. In DeFi Pet, players must fulfill a few quests, events, and other objectives. In a game where the goal is to win money, players are often pitted against one another. Signing up and opening an account is all that is required to get started playing on the Binance chain. You can buy an egg from the pet shop with the DPet to create your own monster. Once the monsters have been properly cared for and nourished, they may be used to produce new varieties of monsters. It's all about nurturing and breeding NFT pets who have their own unique personalities in DeFi Pet. But the game's captivating universe and wide variety of critters will lure you into an immersive quest to discover the game's mysteries. You may earn money in 3 different ways. Participating in a game. Playing the game entails fulfilling quests and taking part in events inside the game. DPet tokens can be earned by doing such. NFT tokens and DPet tokens can both be exchanged on the secondary NFT marketplaces. Auctions. If you choose, you may breed making new pets, then can put them up for auction. A new monster can be created by mixing 2 different monsters. Each pet will have its own unique set of stats. If a pet has better stats or is rare, it's likely to sell for greater money. Seasonal rewards. Finally, gamers may take advantage of the Developer Season Awards, which provide extremely big payouts to those who take part in them. In the first season, the award topped $100,000. To be eligible for cash awards, players must have all of their legendary monsters leveled up to their highest possible level. The DeFi Pet team has a set prize pool of up to $100,000 USDT, which you may win by engaging in events and seasons. In order to receive your reward, you must find and transmit a pet with the precise characteristics specified in the smart contract. To be eligible for a reward, you must have a minimum of 10 legendary pets of the highest level. Silver. In-game silver is a form of virtual money, but it is not cryptocurrency. It may be used to acquire land, eggs, cages, and pets. They all contribute to the manufacturing of commodities, like pet food trays. Even if you're not a huge fan of pets, DeFi Pet is an excellent illustration of how cutting-edge technology and traditional game principles may work together. So NFT pets may be acquired in 2 methods. Summon. DPet tokens may be used to purchase eggs, which can then be used to summon a random pet from an in-game marketplace. Bidding. NFT pets are available for sale or purchase via auction, since one is born every hour. The winning bidder will receive their prize pet. Pets can be bred if you have at least 2 already. When 2 pets are combined, a new monster is created that has the DNA of both parents. 5 DPet tokens are required to spawn a fresh monster. On the map, the Happy Forest is the location where the breeding takes place. Using DPet tokens, players can enhance their pet's powers, energy, or attractiveness. Battle. In the battle, participants' NFT pets go head-to-head, with the winner receiving a prize. Pets are expected to compete in tournaments, where the winners receive special awards. Additional clans and battles can also be organized by players. To gauge a player's progress and level of skill, the number of trophies they have will be displayed on the leaderboard. Final season rewards will be given to the server's top players. Enter the battle with a friend and a friend's pet. Players may engage in combat tournaments in order to win an awesome reward and team up with other players to compete against one another. Trading. It is possible to swap any item or pet in the game for money or a new one on the marketplace. It's important to remember that animals with special characteristics passed down from their parents will cost more. Taking animals on hunting expeditions. Players' pets may go out and search for food and DPet token, similar to staking. In order to use My DeFi Pet, you'll need a Binance Smart Chain or Cardia Chain wallet. DPET token may be used to purchase the first pet and any other items you might require on the platform after you've linked your wallet. To obtain your first pet, visit the shop and spend 3 DPET tokens for an egg. Much as when you're expecting a child, you'll have to produce crops and gather food to feed your pets. Pets have different degrees of development and talents according on their scarcity. Feeding your pet DPET tokens will allow it to develop. Evolution gives your pet a new look and greater fighting abilities. The DPET coin is available on the platform. As the platform's money, DPET may be used for many things, including participation in governance is encouraged, useful for making purchases, stake to increase profits DPET. My DeFi Pet's basic token is the DPET token. Tokens may be earned by gaming with the My DeFi Pet also meeting requirements. With the use of tokens, players may breed tokens and summon fresh eggs, as well as participate in exclusive events. Special prizes may be earned by voting on new game features as part of the governance process. Staking DPET coins gives you the ability to vote. You'll have a better chance of winning special prizes if you have more tokens locked. So, how can you buy DPET tokens? Gate.io, PancakeSwap, and KuCoin are among of the exchanges where you can acquire DPET tokens. Starting with BTC or ETH is a must. My DeFi Pet requires Binance Smart Chain wallet in order to play. To link your wallet, follow these simple steps. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the Binance Smart Chain. Grab a few BNB tokens. Your BNB tokens should be sent to your MetaMask account. Go to the Binance Smart Chain section of the My DeFi Pet website and hit Connect. Binance Smart Chain to My DeFi Pet. Connect MetaMask and then select Refresh. In order to continue, you must acquire at least 1 pet costing 3 DPET coins each. You don't need to download an app because the browser's base game is compatible with smartphones and tablets. But My DeFi Pet is compatible with any modern browsers. Plus, trading will help you build up your collection. The social elements of the game allow you to show off your pet army and interact with other players privately or publicly. Other gamers and friends can also challenge you. Collecting, breeding, evolving, battling, trading, and socializing are all features of the game. Even though there are many options for gamers, breeding and trading pets is the most common activity. But it looks like My DeFi Pet will make pet raising games more fun than ever before. NFT assets may be bred and nurtured in a way that allows players to progress from simply having fun to generating money. Hope you were able to learn something from this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you and take care.